right, good morning, guys. Today is your Unit 10 test. We're going to do this the same way we always do it. You listen to me dictate all of the sounds, all of the words, phrases, and sentences, and then put them on the Google form in Google Classroom. If I'm going too fast, it's all right because this is a video. You can pause, rewind, do whatever you need to do. Starting with sounds, type the letters that make the R control pair or. Sound number 2, type the letters that make the R control pair R. And then sound number 3, give me any of the 3 R control pairs that make the sound. So you have 3 different options there. All right, moving on to unit words. Your first word is prosper. Prosper. I want to grow rich and prosper one day. Word number 2, I'm going to give you the base word first. It's record. Record. Can you please record my show for me? Record. And then we're going to add the ing suffix to make recording. Recording. Please be quiet. I am recording. All right, base word for number 3 is lobster. Lobster. We had lobster for dinner last night. Lobster. Lobster. And then we're going to add the suffix to make lobsters, make it plural. Lobsters. We went fishing for lobsters. I guess you fish for lobsters. Do you use a net? I don't know. Lobsters. All right. Base word for word number 4 is remark. Remark. Would you like to make a remark at the end of the program? Remark. And then we're going to add the ed suffix to make remarked. Remarked. He remarked on how well the program went after the program ended. All right, word number 5 is formulate. Formulate. Can you help me formulate a plan? Formulate. Base word for word number 6 is expert. Expert. She was an expert at dance. Expert. And then we're going to add the ly suffix to make expertly. Expertly. She expertly carried out the routine. Expertly. All right. Base word for word number 7 is permit. Permit. I am about to get my driver's permit. Permit. Now really look at this base word permit. Think about that second syllable mit. Is it 111? Is it accented because we're adding a vowel suffix? Ed. Permitted. Permitted. You are not permitted to leave the classroom without permission. Permitted. All right, word number 8 is memorize. Memorize. I need help to memorize my lines for the play. Memorize. All right, base word for number 9 is number. Number. What number is your cubby? And then we're going to add the ing suffix to make numbering. Numbering. I need help numbering my desks. And then word number 10, the base word is misinform. Misinform. I'm sorry to misinform you. That's a bad sentence. I don't want to misinform you, so let me think of another sentence. And then we're going to add the ed suffix to make misinformed. We were misinformed on the time, so we showed up late. Misinformed. All right, going into phrases. Phrase number 1. Father and mother partnership. Father and mother partnership. Phrase number 2, hardship on earth. Hardship on earth. Phrase 3, recorded another answer. Recorded another answer. And then phrase 4, perspire water from work. Perspire water from work. That just means you're sweating. All right, and then finally, sentences. I am looking for proper capitalization and punctuation here. Sentence number 1. I admitted that I got this garlic from the other market. I admitted that I got this garlic from the other market. And then sentence number 2. Could you observe the supersonic rocket from the platform? Could you observe the supersonic rocket from the platform? So remember, proper capitalization and punctuation there. So run this back if you need to. Get everything on your Google form, and then please press submit. If it gives you a horrible score and tells you you got a bunch of stuff wrong, remember, don't trip. I always go back through and double check these myself.